Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your iPhone into a black and white color. So let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is start by going into your setting. From your setting, you're going to scroll down to go to accessibility. Now from accessibility here, we're going to look for display and text size. And from display and text size, we're going to go down a little bit further and look for color filters. And then turn on color filters. Now with this one turned on, you might already by default select grayscale, which essentially is the black and white color. So once you have that, we're going to go ahead and go back and then check out basically our phone. As you can see here, it is now black and white, just like that. Now additionally, there is one more customization that you can do. So if I long press and hold on any app or anywhere in the screen, we're going to edit the home screen and then click on edit up here and then customize. And then I can also go with a darker feature as well. So I can have this on, where as you can see here, now it has even a much darker tint to that black and white. So it is kind of completely, as you can see here, black and white. That's an optional setting you can do in top of the black and white filter. Again, up to you how you would like it, but that's how you can do it. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.